So, it was a harder job than I thought and expected. I thought it was going to be pretty easy, but it wasn't. But finally, I've got them on. Without any further ado, here we go. There we are. I have the Cobra flare kit for GU Nissan Patrol fitted. It's the front one. Back one, tried to line them up the best I could. It was not easy. I'll just go around the back. We've got this one. Come up not too bad for a backyard home job. Got the one over the front wheel there. Pretty happy with that. So that was my project for this weekend. I didn't think to make a how to fit video because it would have taken me forever, and I'm really not that good, but all I did to fit them was I ran masking tape along my guard before I drilled the holes, sat the flares up against my guard, got them to a reasonably good fit, marked out the holes with a texter, pulled the guard off, drilled the holes with the masking tape on there, and then mounted them, and then a little bit of maneuvering and manipulating and a little bit of heat with a heat gun. Not too much, just enough to make the plastic a bit flexible, and I got it pretty well smick on, I think. So that's how I did it, but I don't recommend it being a weekend job if you don't have the time, because it did take me quite a while. So, but I'm no professional, I'm not a fitter, but if I was to do them again on another car, I would just pay the money and get them fitted, because that's me personally. If you want to give it a go, go ahead, but yeah, for me it was quite a difficult process, but they're on. The GU looks good, and yeah, so we should be ready for the holiday in September soon. Just have to work out, there's a slight squeal in the front of my car. I'm leaning towards a belt. I'm hoping that's all it is, just might need a new tensioner, but if not, I don't know. Anyway, Adventure Wratts out. I'll see you in the next video, and yeah, please share the channel if you like it. Cheers guys, have a good one. Yeah.